You know this Excel trick? Comment yes or no below to let me know. We've got some data here, and we want to add a total row at the bottom, which is easy, right? You could use the straightforward sum function to achieve this. Type equals sum and open the parenthesis. Now, let's select the range B2 to B16 and press Enter. You could also use the keyboard shortcut Alt and equals. But look what happens when we want to add new rows of data in. These ranges don't automatically update, so we need to go into the formula bar ourselves and update them. But did you know there is a way to do this dynamically? Let me show you. Let's start over. Click in cell B70, come up to the Formula tab on the ribbon, and then select Name Manager. On the Name Manager window, click New. You can name this to something more relevant. We will name this Last Row. Next, come down to the Refers to section, and in this box, type an exclamation mark, followed by B16, which is the last cell in column B before the total row. Click OK and then close. Now let's type our formula out again using the sum function. Type equals sum and open the parenthesis. Instead of selecting the range, type $2, then a colon, and then last row. Now look what happens when we drop our new data in. Our values automatically update.